Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog. Ishan, how you feeling? See here. Let me see. Ishan. Oh, Ishan, show me a hairstyle which is gonna go. Ishan. Good boy. I know you like nice, you look beautiful, handsome, whatever you can call. You play with your toys. She's watching something on television. That's one movie scene that she loves to see, Hangama. And she enjoys comedy movie. TV is off and here is a guy. Ishan? Oh, Ishan. What are you doing, Ira?
I'm making a house top.
But why disturbing me?
I'm not disturbing. I'm just stupid each other.
You're actually disturbing me.
I'm just making a house. Recording.
What according?
Means you record Anisha.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
What happened, Ira?
Nothing.
Where is
I
Ishan?
just took my charger.
Where is he? Ishan. I could hear that. Okay. Good. So right now, Ishan, come, let's play the ball. Somebody's playing house. Hi, Kala. Srinivasam Govinda. Just you wanted to my anger on me. इसलिए पूरा मसाला डाल दिया. ईशान, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. Nice.
नींबू पानी ऐसे
So
चलो दो वाला कार ड्रिंक
you eat your Cafreal. Full चाटून घ्या.
किती झालं आता आता किती झालं तुझा
It's late and this person is on the call for last 2.5 hours talking with a friend. He and she both are watching television. It's super late. Mom has gone with mama. Yeah. Oh, you got nice earrings from Kinder Joy.
not now from so many
Since it is 11 o'clock, we are going on top. I have to do a lot of duties of Ishan. Anyway, cheers, guys. Today's vlog was super short at home, doing nothing. Really doing nothing. I know our vlogs today is okay. It's just in one day excuse. Anyway, cheers, guys. You have a nice day. Just want to say good night and ciao, ciao.